Here, it's working. Great. Dum 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 dum. Next. Hey. Hello, my friends. Glad to see you here. So, today, part 2 about Bitwig workflow. Tricks, tips in Bitwig 3.3. So, let's go. First trick about pitching. Let's give them some kind of sound. And way to quickly change the pitch. Use the shortcut for this thing. That one shortcut. Bam. Transpose a semitone up. Of course, transpose a semitone down. It's so easy now to pitching your samples. Also, this works with MIDI clips. Plus, minus, and you can transpose it on octave down, shift minus or shift plus on octave up, and this is shift plus, yeah, transpose an octave up, shift plus and shift minus. You can show real-time marker by clicking right button on timeline and clicking show real-time ruler. Next, about looping. All about looping. Use this shortcut for looping. L. Loop selected region. It's looping selected region. You see that now icon is flashing. Now loop is on. You can off it by pressing another one shortcut for on and off. Toggle arranger loop. Next, talk about bouncing. I find for myself easy way to bounce. I can just select the region, clicking B, select what I need and press OK. You know? Huh? Simple. Let's find the shortcut. B, bounce. Keep in your head, you can bounce in Bitwig from the master channel. From the effect channel. Send. This is send, as we know in Ableton Live. You can bounce it right here. Choose region, press B, and you can see here the silent, but bounce it silent from send channel. You can bounce even like that, because group, this is channel 2. Okay. Next, we're talking about your plugins. As you know, browser in Bitwig, it's a bro. It's real bro, okay? And if you wanna to add your plugin, click the right button on mouse. You will get the window with favorites. This without category. All category which you choose for favorites, but you can choose your category of favorites. Okay? If we on the simple audio track, click on the plus by the right button of the mouse, you get the audio effects. If you click right button on the plus, you get the favorites of instruments and note effects. You know. What about adding of favorites? You can choose your instruments. Absent, yeah. Create new collection, name it, and just drag and drop in your collection. Awesome. Or just put it your favorites. Bang! Now we talk about fast mapping. You can, by clicking that icon of hand, hand, you can map everything, guys, really everything. Take the filter, for example, get the button modulator and modulating the cutoff frequency, and when I press the button, you know what it means, yes? Clicking this icon, now you can map everything on your keyboard. For example, 8. Take the 8, and now you can hear it's working. Great. I think you understand the logic, yeah? Everyone remember the inspector. Inspector is our friend. Right here, in the left. It's our best friend, you know? You can hide it by pressing the I. Focus toggle inspector panel. Also, you can hide and show your device window. I'm choose D, or this is default shortcut. I don't remember exactly. D. Focus toggle device panel. Just remember, you can reverse everything. You can reverse samples. You can reverse the MIDI by pressing the R. You can just click on your arrange and on your track which you need to solo or mute, and use the M or S for solo and mute. Toggle track solo, toggle track mute. That's all. Next, make fades, multiple fades. Okay. By pressing the Alt, clicking on this curve line, you change the style of curve by holding the Alt and moving your mouse. You can choose right curve. So that was the last one today. Thank you again for your visiting my home place, dabromusic.com. I appreciate you, really. Thank you. And sorry if my English boring you or killing your ears. So, see you soon.